Listen to this. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, 40 million workers in the U.S. do not have a single paid sick day. That means unexpected illness or extended hospital stays could be devastating to your bank balance, especially when you consider the average hospital stay costs $10,000, and that's according to the Agency for Healthcare Research and Quality. But there are ways to better protect yourself and your family. So here to talk about how we can protect ourselves is Holly Waldhoff from Combined Insurance. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So I know we're going to talk a lot about medical insurance, the family, but we're also going to touch upon something called supplemental insurance. A lot of people don't know about that. Tell me more.
Right. Supplemental insurance is extra or additional insurance that helps provide benefits for the non-medical related costs that are associated with an accident or an illness, the costs that your major medical doesn't cover.
So if I have a major medical coverage policy, let's say for my family, how do I know whether or not I need this supplemental insurance?
Right. Well, you definitely want to look at your major medical and find out what you do have. Your primary insurance, which is usually a major medical insurance, is designed to pay a portion of the medical related costs.
Right.
But what about the non-medical related costs?
Such as?
Paying your bills at home, feeding your family, making your car payment, your cell phone, your cable, the things that we wouldn't normally think about.
Even premiums.
Exactly. Your insurance premiums. I mean, making sure that your insurance premiums are paid on your major medical insurance so you can keep that in force. So,
and these are things that I honestly, and I'm sure a lot of people don't think of.
Exactly. And, just imagine if something happens to you and you're unable to work, for example. Your bills are still there. Your bills are still going to come. So you need something in place to make sure that you are protected when you need it the most.
And let's talk about what matters most to me and to so many people, the family. How does something like this help a typical family?
Imagine if your employer doesn't provide you sick paid time off. If you're not working, you're not receiving an income.
Okay.
And again, those bills are still coming. So Combined Insurance has a policy called Sick Pay Plus, and this is a policy designed to pay cash directly to you that helps the non-medical related issues if you're sick or hurt and can't work and under the care of a doctor. Or consider cancer insurance. The National Cancer Institute estimates that 1 in 3 individuals in the United States will be struck with cancer. And the American Cancer Society estimates that 60% of all cancer costs are non-medical related. And those are expenses that your major medical or your primary insurance are not going to cover.
And those are situations where a family is devastated because they can't pay for it.
Just to put it in perspective, imagine if you were diagnosed with cancer and hearing that and all of the emotional things that are going on with you at that moment. Now all of a sudden imagine not having an income coming in to not only pay your existing bills, but to keep up with all of these unexpected bills that are now coming. It's a lot. So having a supplemental plan in force really helps provide you that security.
Now, do I get a supplemental plan in addition to my medical coverage?
It depends on the plan that you choose. It depends on the plans that you have. Not everyone is the same. No two individuals, no two families are the same. So
how does the claim work?
Claim process is easy. So once we're notified of something taking place, that you need to file a claim, it's very simple. You just contact us, and we understand that time is important to you. You need that money right away. So we work very, very quickly and very diligently to get that claims process reviewed.
With so many insurance companies out there to choose from, how do we know one is reliable?
You definitely want to do your due diligence. You want to go with a company that is reputable and strong. Combined Insurance has been around for 95 years and was founded by W. Clement Stone. And we're with Chubb, which is the world's largest publicly traded property and casualty insurance company.
And I know you're very proud to be there. You've been there for more than?
I have been here for 18 years.
And has a supplemental insurance helped you in the past?
It absolutely has. And I have to say that more importantly than helping me, I've seen individuals on both sides. I've seen families be prepared, but I've also seen a lot of families that are not prepared, that didn't have something in force, and something happens and they're just in a devastated position. So it's not an uncommon scenario, unfortunately.
Something definitely to think about.
Correct.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for having me.
And if you'd like more information about supplemental insurance, go to combinedinsurance.com. That's combinedinsurance.com, or just go to our website, thebalancingAct.com.